This is the user dashboard I mentioned earlier. Essentially, this can be a SharePoint document, a Google Doc, a wiki, a PDF, a Word, PowerPoint, whatever. You'll see in that I'm over the hyperlink right now, a current checkout overview hyperlink, and you can see the URL has 8182 in it. That's the key. With our system, 8182 takes you directly to that particular report. So all I need to do is click on that and it'll bring up that report with the most current data in it. So keep in mind it can be any format, and you can have different dashboards for different people. In fact, it's so easy to create a dashboard. Managers can create their own dashboards in whatever format they want and then get the set of reports that are important to them. And I mentioned you can have mechanical engineers. You could set up a dashboard for them with just the mechanical engineering tools. Or the electrical engineers can have a dashboard which shows the status of the electrical engineering tools. So very, very easy to set up, very easy to use, very practical to allow engineers and managers to get immediate access. These are on-demand reports